show Grandma Teacup how beautiful you are. Go show Grandma Teacup.
Can you entertain her, Mama?
Go see Grandma. Go see Grandma. Say, Grandma Teacup, look at my pretty sweater. Oh, your bow fell out again. Wait, stay still. Oh, my stars.
Drive around the bus says move on back, move on back, move on back. The drive around the bus says move on back, all through the town. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The babies on the bus go wah, wah, wah. Wah, 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 wah. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 all through the town. The mommies on the bus go shoo, shh, 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 shh. Mommies on the bus go shh, shh, all through the town. Stop holding me back.
Okay, I should be getting dressed.
It's alright.
I want to go downstairs. I want to go downstairs.
We got a nice dress to put on.
What's that, Grandma Chica?
Come here, Anna. It'll be okay. It'll be okay. You almost got it. There you go. There you go. I know, this is severe torture here. Whee! There you go. Climb up on there. You can stand up and stay still. That'll be perfect. Lily, no, don't distract.
Here,
Look. Look at that. Isn't that neat? Go play with that. Don't you want to play